Moi everyone and welcome to Finish Your Plate. In Finland, if you go to the Helsinki Kauppatori, which is right by the water in Helsinki, or if you go to any kind of street fair, you'll probably find that they serve these small fried fish. So that fish is vendace. Vendace is probably not too easy to find in the US, but you can still make that same fried fish. So here I'll show you how to make that fried fish yourself. Serve it with some mashed potatoes and a simple green salad. I went to the Asian store and I found these small fish. This is smelt. So I'm just going to use this since getting vendace is going to be difficult in the US. So I'm going to be using this smelt instead. The size is approximately same. And these are maybe a little bit bigger than what muikku or vendace would be, but I think it'll work nicely. I'm going to take some rye flour and put it in my cup over here, my vessel. Make it about a cup of rye flour. And I'll just season the rye flour with some salt. Then just mix it to combine. And now I'm going to take the fish. I'm just going to rinse it and pat it dry. Now they've been rinsed, so I'm just going to quickly just pat them dry. There we go. And now I will just dip these into the rye flour. Get them all coated in the salted rye. My pan is hot, as you can see, it's already smoking. So I'm just gonna put some oil in here and some butter as flavoring. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna shallow fry these. We are not deep frying the fish. We are just going to shallow fry it in oil and butter. Just let the butter melt completely in there. Depending on the size of your pan, you may want to do this in batches. So we're just gonna put these battered fish in here and then just quickly fry them. Keep frying until they're done and golden color. And meanwhile, just prep your other fish. Get them ready for frying. There we go. And now on to the next batch. Just add a little bit more oil and butter if needed. Also, when they're straight out of the fryer, you may want to taste a little piece just to make sure that you got enough salt. Because at this stage, you can still add more salt to them if they need it. I'm going to add just a touch of salt to them. So for this recipe, if you can't find smelt or vendace, you could use any kind of mild tasting small fish. Like I said, this smelt was maybe a little bit on the larger side, larger than what you would find in Finland. But you could certainly use any kind of small fish that has that same mild flavor. Okay, so this batch is pretty much done. So we're just going to take them out. Season them with just a little bit more salt. Now you just serve them with some freshly made mashed potatoes. And here we go, Finnish fried fish, fried vendace, or muikku. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Finish Your Plate.